Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning how to create and use Boolean expressions. In today's class we will learn about converting a problem statement or translating a problem statement into a Boolean expression. We will learn how to use some of the keywords, how to identify some of the keywords and use it to pick the right Boolean operator. We'll start with one example. The first one says to pass the exam, marks should be greater than 60. Pay attention to the word greater than. It clearly says greater than. So let's take a variable called marks and it becomes marks greater than 60. Very straightforward. Second scenario says to vote in the election, age should be at least 18 years. Pay attention to the word at least 18. What does at least 18 means? That means 18 or more. That means greater than or equal to 18. And so you can see here I created a variable age and expression is age greater than equal to 18. In the third example, those who are having marks between 60 to 80 will get A grade and marks more than 80 will get A plus grade. You'll notice here now we are talking about two expressions. One marks between 60 and 80 and another one is marks more than 80, right? Between 16 and 80 means marks has to be 60 or more and less than 80 or more, right? The easier way to do is to draw a line here. As you can see in this line, I have highlighted the word, points where sorry, marks is 60 and marks is 80. This shaded part in orange or now in blue is the area we are talking about. Our Boolean expression has to cover this time between 60 and 80. How do we do that? By writing an expression say 60 less than equal to marks less than equal to 80, or we can say marks greater than equal to 60 and marks less than equal to 80, right? This is how you will write this expression. However, the second part we say marks more than 80, right? So we can also say marks greater than 80. Pretty straightforward. It does not say more than or equal to 80. It says more than 80. That means greater than sign here. Okay, let's take into some more examples. This one says age less than 18 will not be get a driving license. So in another word, your age less than 18 you will not get it. So you say age is less than 18. But again, it is a negative expression. If I want to change it and I can say people who are at least 18 will get a driving license, then expression will become exactly opposite and say age greater than equal to 18. And remember when we talk about negation, the less than sign becomes greater than equal to if you flip it. I can also say if not, and let's say age less than 8, this is same as this statement is greater than equal to 18, and we have already seen it. We'll take another example. Let's say only kids under age 8 or over 18 are invited to the party. That means anybody who is between 8 and 11 are not invited. So the invited part is in the orange and the white part is not invited. So how do we write this? It's a little tricky. So what we say is we are saying age is less than 8. Age is less than 8 or age is greater than 11 or age is greater than 11 are invited to the party. So our Boolean expression will look like this. Correct? We cannot say and here. If you say less than 8 and more than 11, actually there will no children who can attend the party. Either you are less than 88 or you are more than 11. You cannot be both. Right? So let's move to the next example. Here 6. In this one, we are saying raise your hand if you are 8, 10, and 12 years old. Pay attention, we are giving exact values. You are saying either you are 8 or you are 10 or you are 12. You cannot say you are 8 and 10 and 12. There is nobody who can be in all three ages at the same time. So it is 8 or 10 or 12. And that's how we construct. We say age equal to 8 or age equal to 10 or age equal to 12. Okay. Moving along. Next one is Spider-Man movie will be broadcasted between 6 and 8 and between 9 to 11 p.m. So draw a line and you mark it and you can say between 6 to 8 and 9 to 11. So now we have four expressions from here to here and here to here. Say time is greater than equal to 6 this side and time is less than equal to 8. When you are finding a range like this between two numbers, you always use and. More than this and less than that. And another condition is time is greater than 9 and time is less than 11. In both the cases, you are allowed to, the movie will be shown. Now, we are not doing here or. By doing or, we are saying either this or this, which is not the case, right? So this and this, these are the only two slots in which movie will be shown. Okay. Next one, we are talking about age for this role. Age for this role, neither 30 nor 50-year-old actors will be considered. Okay. The word neither and nor indicates clearly that it is in the negative form. Neither nor. We can either use as it is or we can convert. So let's first use the negation, the not operator. Right? We'll say, let's say age equal to 30 or age equal to 50. These two are not considered. So who are considered? In the beginning, we'll say age equal to 30 or age equal to 40. And then you say not, which is say not like this. Or we can also say, we can convert into a positive statement. We can say your age should not be 30 and your age should not be 50. And you can see not converted this double equal to into not equal to, also converted or into and also converted equal to into not equal to. And we saw that in the previous class. That is how either you use first approach, which is construct a statement or a complex Boolean expression and ultimately negate it. And second approach is right from the beginning, use remove the negation and you say age is not 30 and age also not 40, then you are fine. Okay, hope this is clear. Again, the only way to understand this is to solve some questions and practice. So go ahead and do it. I have created the quiz for you. You should be able to practice and learn more. If you required, you can come back and watch this video again or read this concept again. But I guess you should be able to now solve these problems. So I'll see you guys in the next class. Thanks again for your time. Happy learning.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.